What's happening, Saber dudes and Saber ladies? I've got another sound font to demo. This one's awesome. It's by my buddy Kyberphonic Fonts. Messaged me and he was like, yo, got one for you, working on it for a minute. He sent me just a sample, and I was like, is that pong Krell? I could tell right off the bat. I was like, dude, that is so cool. General Krell is the sound font that he has made here. I'm going to slap it on my CFX, because it does come with CFX and Profi, just like his sound fonts. If you guys aren't familiar with Kyberphonic Fonts, where you've been at, you've been sleeping. General Krell, right there, yeah, right? Sweet little screenshot. It's actually what's giving off that, I don't know if you can see the glare. I was like, where's this light glare coming from? It's from the sabers on the TV, and I was like, ooh, that kind of tickles my fancy. Pong Krell, Jedi Master, Clone War era. Watch the show. If you haven't seen the Clone Wars, again, you've been sleeping. What are y'all doing? Why aren't you guys watching this kind of stuff? I'm not gonna get into spoiler territory or anything like that, but it's a great couple episodes with him and his, Commander Rex, and I believe Cody too. I can't remember. A bunch of clone troopers, and they have like a little arc, and it's really cool. But his sound, his saber sounds were very specific, and him being a bigger alien species in the Star Wars universe, he has 2 double-bladed sabers, and they're just mean sounding. So I just threw the font on here. I kind of wanted to get like a test run while I'm doing it. Kind of, I haven't gone through and looked at a bunch of them. All I did was hear like the first 1 or 2, and I was like, I want to let's just throw it on and get to it. So enough talking, and let's go ahead and fire her up.
Sound bank selection.
General Krell, you're being relieved of duty.
Let's go. Let's get right here. Those little accent swings in there. Smooth swing. Oh, by the way, this is smooth swing font, obviously. So the ignition one more time. Here's the hum for you. I dig that hum. Blasters. I had to build a new blade this last week too, so I've been a little slow on videos and font reviews. Lock up. Some force wave. Oh, maybe we don't have force wave. Sounds real good. I love it. These swings have got some real, some growl to it, you know, whenever you swing it, you got that little bass on the back end. Especially in the accent swings. Or hybrid swings, whatever you want to call them. Very nice. Let's hear that one more time.
Sound bank selection. Audio play.
General Krell, you're being relieved of duty.
You should have listened to the ARC Trooper from the beginning, Captain.
Yes. That. I love it, man. That's so good. I love the boot up. All right, let's hear what the song is. Oh, that off is great too. Bass basic ignition. When it powers on, it's got like a. That's nice. I like that. All right, let's get to that song. Man, what a good couple episodes too, man. I'm gonna probably watch them tonight. Why not? Flashes. Let's go green. He's got blue and green. My little waddle up to you there. You guys like my little waddle up. I'll kind of hobble on up when I slide that far back to get the blade in frame. So there you have it, guys. Kyberphonic Fonts, General Krell. I'm gonna go ahead and look at some stuff real quick. You want to hang tight with me for a second? I should have this pulled up. Anyways, I'm a terrible prepper. You know what I mean? Like, every time I get one of these videos going, I'm like, all right, I got everything I need. And then I start talking. And then I'm like, hold on, wait. Let me grab some more stuff here real quick. Just so I can get an overall real quick look at the... oh my gosh, everything's turning off. Hold tight, bros. Hold tight. So, let's take a look in there real quick. So, the font, again, like I said, is General Krell. We got, yeah. About my family in the back room. Okay, so there are some force waves. Isn't there force waves? Yeah, 2 force waves. Oh, I must not have activated them. Oh, okay, so they're going to be like action, like a little action stuff. Force pushes and stuff like that. Okay, cool. So I probably did activate them, but I was swinging it around like a madman and wasn't really paying attention to what I'm doing, I guess. So you got some N-lock waves, a couple different power-ons, which is great. I love those power-ons, man. Real bassy, real, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's good stuff. I got another font that I'm gonna review from him. Shoot, probably here in a minute. Let's be real. Might as well. But he has Rise of Skywalker Reflex font that I'm probably gonna talk about here in a bit. But this one right here is Pong Krell, General Krell, at Kyberphonic Fonts. You can purchase it through his Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description. But I love it, man. It sounds great. I mean, how can you not? One of the features that I love about the CFX, the Crystal Focuses, Crystal Focus Foci. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. This is stupid. Crystal Focus boards have different power on and power off, or yeah, depending on which way you hold the saber. So that one is different from that one. Different from that one. It's been a minute since I pulled out my scrap tag. Love the saber. Y'all see, this is my tester. This is my testee right here. This thing has probably, gosh, I think this is font number 64 on this. Time flies. But yeah, anyways, guys, very happy with it. Of course, Jesse always pumps out quality Kyberphonic fonts. Every swing, every ignition, everything is real. There's real weight to it. It's real girthy. Yeah, I mean, like, you know, there's a lot of bass in a lot of that, and a lot of the swings are nice. They're real growly, like, and I dig that. So, but you guys go out there, help support font makers, like I always say, and purchase his fonts. And I'll see you guys in the next font review.